Welcome everyone to another episode of TBL. I am Nancy, your host, and today I am going to bring you to the Magnolia Parade and festivities for Christmas. This is a monument dedicated to our armed forces. Let's not forget, during the holiday season, all of the troops and all of our servicemen and women that do not get to come home for Christmas.
This is a boy.
It's a boy. What's his name?
I can't remember off the top of my head. We have so many animals at our facility, but
Oh, he's so cute. You want to pet him, Mom? He won't bite. Do it. It's okay.
yes.
Oh, he's
way over here. Come touch the tail.
He has the best job.
I like it.
How many did you guys bring?
We brought 12 different reptiles today, and I think 7 different mammals.
The parade is about to start. We are sitting here on the side of the road in the park. I'm going to walk around and get a shot how everyone, well, lines up. Let me show you. There are food trucks behind me, and I'm gonna show you my setup here in just a second. I am enjoying some waffle fries right now. They're actually pretty good. The food trucks that they had, oh, look at this. I got mom a funnel cake. Okay, friends, that is it. The parade is over. It was super cool. I had a great time. I can't wait to sit down and edit all of this. It's gonna be total chaos getting out because, of course, it's the parade and traffic is just gonna be amazing, but it was great. We had a great time. So what did you think?
It was actually a pretty good size. They had like at least 98 per person as the name of the like floats. 98 floats so far. And this is a really good size.
So as you can see, friends, right behind me, all of these cars are trying to exit, but this was super fun. Did y'all see that? It's a lot of cars, but it was fun, friends. It was, oh my gosh, I don't know, almost 90 floats, would you say?
It was 98.
98 floats, friends, from every single business in Magnolia.
Don't forget about the garbage truck
to, yeah, the make your own float.
And then the
garbage
electrical truck.
The electrical truck, the construction people. It was super amazing. Every single business had a float here. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.